Now, because of social distancing, maybe your school is not able to host our live Superhero PBIS Character Development and Bully Prevention Omegaman and Friends School Assembly. You can't come to our assembly? Let our assembly come to you. Now you can have the #1 school assembly in your classroom. We are offering you our new 12 PBIS and School Enrichment Animated Video Series curriculum. With over 60 minutes of video material, your students will be educated, motivated, inspired, and entertained as they are taught the 6 pillars of character. Bully prevention. What is a bully? How to respond, how to prevent, and what is a bystander. How you too can be a hero. Helping everyone respect others. Making good choices. Character development. Having good hygiene. In addition, your students will love game show host Chuck Chase and much, much more. You can play these videos on classroom smartboards, live streaming, projector screens, and other visual tools throughout the school year to move the students' hearts and minds to contemplate positive change and new direction for their lives. But wait, there's more. When you purchase our one-of-a-kind 12 PBIS animated video series today, your school will also receive over 40 classroom activity worksheets to promote positive behavior throughout the school year. No other nationwide school assembly presentation offers these types of videos. We are offering this incredible deal for your school to purchase our 12 animated video series curriculum for only $399. With these uncertain times, there is no telling how long social distancing will continue, but that shouldn't stop your students from being motivated, educated, and inspired by the #1 school assembly in the nation. Call today, 1-888-315-6772, or go to www.omegamansschools.com and have the #1 school assembly in your classroom.